Looking for your next beach getaway in Mexico? Let's dive deep into what the Sheraton Buganvilias Resort and Convention Center in Puerto Vallarta has to offer. This beachfront property has been welcoming guests for decades, and it's time to see if it still holds up in today's competitive resort market. We're going to walk through everything from the rooms to the restaurants, the pools to the spa, and all the little details that can make or break your vacation experience. When it comes to accommodations, the Sheraton Buganvilias offers a solid range of options designed to suit different travel styles and budgets. Starting with the standard rooms, you're looking at approximately 35 to 40 square meters of space, which translates to around 376 to 430 square feet. These rooms come equipped with all the basics you'd expect from a 4-star resort. Air conditioning that actually works, flat-screen televisions, in-room safes for your valuables, minibars stocked with beverages, coffee makers for those who need their morning caffeine fix, and bathroom toiletries. Each standard room features a private balcony or terrace where you can sit and take in views of either the ocean, the lush gardens, or the resort's pool areas. The rooms can accommodate between 2 to 4 guests comfortably, making them suitable for couples or small families. The balconies come with seating areas, perfect for enjoying your morning coffee or an evening cocktail while watching the sunset over Banderas Bay. Moving up the accommodation ladder, the junior suites offer more breathing room at 45 to 55 square meters. These suites feature a separate living area that gives you space to spread out, along with an upgraded bathroom and enhanced furnishings throughout. You'll find premium toiletries in the bathroom, and the overall decor tends to be a step above the standard rooms. The balconies are larger, giving you more outdoor living space, and the sitting areas are more substantial. For those seeking the ultimate in resort luxury, the master suites deliver with over 60 square meters of space. These accommodations feature spacious living rooms completely separated from the bedroom area, premium bathrooms that often include jacuzzi tubs, and the kind of furnishings you'd expect from a high-end property. The master suites typically come with ocean views, ensuring you wake up to the sight and sound of the waves each morning. These larger suites can accommodate up to 6 guests, making them ideal for families or groups traveling together. The entertainment systems are enhanced, the bedding is premium quality, and the minibars are stocked with better options than you'll find in the standard rooms. The dining situation at the Sheraton Buganvilias is where the all-inclusive model really shows its value. The main buffet restaurant serves as the heart of the dining operation, with capacity for over 300 guests at a time. This is where you'll find breakfast served from 6:30 to 10:30 in the morning, lunch from 12:30 to 4 in the afternoon, and dinner from 6:30 to 10 at night. The buffet spreads cover an impressive range of cuisines, including authentic Mexican dishes, international favorites that appeal to various palates, and Asian selections for those craving something different. One of the highlights here is the live cooking stations where chefs prepare dishes right in front of you, ensuring freshness and giving you the chance to customize your meal. Throughout the week, the buffet features themed dinner nights that showcase different culinary traditions and regional specialties. Beyond the buffet, the resort typically operates 2 to 3 specialty restaurants that require reservations but are included in your all-inclusive package. The seafood and grill restaurant focuses on fresh catches from local waters and premium cuts of meat prepared to your specifications. The Mexican restaurant goes deeper into regional specialties, offering dishes that represent the diverse culinary traditions of different Mexican states. The Asian fusion venue brings together flavors from across the Pacific, creating a Pan-Asian menu that ranges from sushi to stir-fries. These specialty restaurants generally operate for dinner service only, running from around 6:30 to 10 at night, and advance booking is highly recommended, especially during peak travel seasons. When it comes to bars, the swim-up bar is a vacation favorite, allowing you to enjoy tropical cocktails without leaving the pool. The pool bars operate from around 10 in the morning until 6 in the evening, with seasonal variations depending on guest demand and weather conditions. The lobby bar and evening bar provide a more sophisticated atmosphere for cocktails, spirits, and wine, often accompanied by live entertainment during busy seasons. This venue typically opens around 5 in the evening and runs until 11 at night, giving you a place to unwind after dinner or catch some live music. The pool and beach facilities are major draws for any resort property, and the Sheraton Buganvilias delivers on this front with multiple aquatic options. The main pool is a large, free-form design that incorporates the swim-up bar we mentioned earlier, creating a social hub where guests naturally congregate throughout the day. This pool is surrounded by loungers and umbrellas with towel service provided so you don't have to haul your own linens down from your room. For those seeking a quieter experience, there's an adults-only pool section that maintains a more peaceful atmosphere, perfect for reading a book or simply floating without the splash and excitement of the main pool area. Families with young children will appreciate the dedicated children's pool, which features shallow water and interactive water features designed to keep little ones entertained safely. All the pool areas operate from 7 in the morning until sunset, with exact closing times varying by season and daylight availability. The beach access is one of the property's strongest selling points, with approximately 200 meters of private beachfront where the sand meets Banderas Bay. The beach itself is natural and sandy, offering that classic Mexican Pacific Coast experience. Beach loungers and umbrellas are set up each morning, and towel service extends to the beach area as well. Water sports equipment is available for guests who want to get active, including snorkeling gear to explore the underwater world just offshore, paddleboards for a peaceful cruise along the coastline, and beach volleyball equipment for those who prefer land-based activities. The beach bar provides service throughout the day, so you can order drinks and light snacks without having to trek back to the main resort buildings. The combination of pool and beach options means you can switch up your aquatic environment based on your mood, whether you prefer the controlled comfort of chlorinated water or the natural experience of ocean swimming. Activities at the resort go well beyond just lounging by the pool or beach, though there's certainly nothing wrong with that approach to vacation. The fitness center caters to guests who want to maintain their workout routines even while traveling, equipped with cardio machines for those who like to run or cycle, free weights for strength training, and various machines targeting different muscle groups. The facility typically operates from 6 in the morning until 10 at night, giving early birds and night owls alike the chance to squeeze in a session. Depending on the season and guest demand, the resort often offers group fitness classes including yoga sessions and aerobics, though availability can vary. The Spa and Wellness Center deserves special attention as it represents a significant amenity for many guests. The treatment menu includes various massage styles from Swedish to deep tissue, designed to work out the knots and tension that accumulate from daily life. Facial treatments use quality products to refresh and rejuvenate your skin, which can take a beating from sun exposure even with proper protection. Body treatments round out the menu, offering everything from exfoliating scrubs to moisturizing wraps. Beyond the treatment rooms, the spa facilities include a sauna and steam room for self-directed relaxation, along with dedicated relaxation areas where you can decompress before or after your treatments. The spa typically operates from 8 in the morning until 8 at night, and booking in advance is strongly recommended, especially during peak seasons when appointment slots fill up quickly. You can make reservations at the on-site spa desk or arrange treatments before you even arrive at the resort. Entertainment programming runs throughout the week, with live music performances in the evenings creating a festive atmosphere. Themed dinner nights we mentioned earlier are often accompanied by corresponding entertainment, and beach activities and games are organized during the day to keep energy levels high. The resort celebrates holidays and special occasions with enhanced programming and decorations, making these periods particularly festive times to visit. For families traveling with children, the resort offers programming and facilities designed to keep younger guests entertained and engaged. While specific details about a kids' club would require current verification, family-friendly entertainment is a core part of the resort's identity. The children's pool we mentioned earlier provides a safe aquatic environment for little ones, and the beach offers endless opportunities for sandcastle construction, shell collecting, and gentle wave play in the shallower areas. Many resorts in this category organize supervised activities that give parents some adult time while ensuring children are safely entertained and making vacation friends. The entertainment team typically includes staff members who specialize in engaging with younger guests, organizing games, crafts, and activities appropriate for different age groups. Family suites and larger room configurations make it practical to travel with multiple children without feeling cramped, and the all-inclusive dining model means you don't have to worry about picky eaters running up huge bills at restaurants. The variety of food options at the buffet ensures even the choosiest children can find something they'll actually eat, and the casual atmosphere means parents don't have to stress about perfect table manners in a formal dining environment. The location in Puerto Vallarta puts you within easy reach of numerous attractions and experiences beyond the resort boundaries. The famous Malecon waterfront promenade sits just 2 to 3 kilometers away, offering a quintessential Puerto Vallarta experience with its oceanfront walkway lined with shops, restaurants, art galleries, and street performers. This is where you'll find some of the city's most iconic sculptures and the best people watching in town. The Old Town or Zona Vieja area, located 3 to 4 kilometers from the resort, showcases colonial architecture and cobblestone streets that transport you back in time. This historic district is perfect for wandering, shopping for authentic souvenirs, and finding restaurants that serve traditional Mexican cuisine in atmospheric settings. Banderas Bay itself, which the resort sits adjacent to, serves as the launching point for various water-based excursions including whale watching during the winter months, fishing charters, and boat tours to secluded beaches. The Vallarta Botanical Gardens, approximately 8 kilometers from the property, offer a completely different experience with lush tropical plants, walking trails, and a peaceful atmosphere that contrasts beautifully with the beach scene. Mismaloya Beach, about 10 kilometers away, provides an alternative beach destination that's less developed and more natural than the main Puerto Vallarta beaches. Marina Vallarta, roughly 5 kilometers from the resort, functions as a shopping and dining complex with a more upscale vibe and yacht-filled harbor views. For the truly adventurous, Yalapa is a secluded beach village accessible by boat about 15 kilometers from Puerto Vallarta, offering a glimpse of coastal Mexican life that feels worlds away from the resort zone. The resort's location strikes a nice balance between being close enough to town for easy exploration while maintaining enough distance to feel like a proper beach retreat. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.